Hi everybody, great to have you on board for our National Excavator Operator Competition. Proud to be involved with it again. Been here for over 20 years. It's just a fabulous event. We're finding out the #1 civil operator in the country. We've had them winners before from Northland to Southland, and to culminate this year in another great competition. 2 days of frantic activity, doing everything. We're painting, we're pouring tea, we're picking ice creams, we are cutting pizzas up. We are playing the ultimate game of Connect 4 as well. All this and do. And you're doing it on an excavator, which is a great skill as well. I'm so proud of these operators. They've come from the regional competition where they've been in first place, so they've beaten everybody on their home patch, and then all of those winners are coming here, all 12 of them, as we go from Northland to Southland and all points in between.
So I'm Daniel Bruning, come up from Nelson. Got my own company down there, so the cones were quite challenging on the 5.5s, and I'm looking forward to giving this going to the wire rope a go shortly.
Hey, I'm Dean Cave from Martin, Manawatū. Most challenging this morning would have probably been the 5.5 course, just with the cone slalom. The boys have set that up pretty tight. It's definitely a good challenge. Ice cream scoop was a whole lot easier today, bit colder, first out of the freezer this morning, so a lot easier to get that into the cone, and happy kids on the footpath.
Hey guys, Zahnn here from Southland, actually right down the bottom in Invercargill. So this is my first year at Nationals. It's been going good. It's definitely a learning curve for me. Met a lot of people here. It's been very welcoming, and that's for sure. Civil Contractors New Zealand have put on a definitely a good show.
Stephen George from Northland, Whanganui. I think the most challenging is yet to come. Trying to get through the road cone, sounds like there's not much room. Pretty tight course.
Yeah, I think we've done a pretty good job, and all these other guys here have too.
So super excited, thanks to our awesome sponsors, including Cableprice, the home of these awesome Hitachi Landcross machines. Also to Hire the Experience, are the principal partners behind the great CCNZ.